In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your calendar to Calendly, a quick and straightforward process designed to integrate your scheduling seamlessly. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Calendly homepage. You can do this simply by typing in the URL or searching for Calendly in your search engine. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, feel free to create one. It's fast and easy. But for those who already have an account, simply enter your credentials and sign in. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Calendly homepage. Here, you will see all your scheduled events and settings options. Navigate through the dashboard gracefully. It's designed to give you quick access to all functional features you might need. From the homepage interface, the next step is to click on the Integrations and Apps section. It's an essential part of the process as it connects Calendly with the calendar service you want to integrate. You can find this option at the top of your navigation panel. It's generally easy to spot. Once you're in the Integrations section, it's time to search for calendars. There should be a search bar available, or you might also see a list of popular integrations right away. Type calendars into the search bar if needed, or quickly locate it through the listings. This will help you see all available calendar integrations that Calendly supports, making it simple to select the right one. After filtering out the necessary options, choose the calendar service that you wish to connect with Calendly. This could be Google Calendar, Outlook, or any other supported platform. Click on your chosen calendar, and you will be prompted to follow specific instructions related to that service. This includes logging into your calendar account and authorizing Calendly to access it so that it can automatically check for availability and update with new appointments. Once you have authorized the connection, voila! Your calendar is now linked to Calendly. This integration ensures your availability is always up to date, eliminating scheduling conflicts and streamlining the meeting booking process. Remember, a properly integrated calendar not only saves time, but also reduces the hassle of managing multiple scheduling systems. So that's it. You've successfully connected your calendar to Calendly. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward tech instructional videos. Happy scheduling!